G'day guys, how are you and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get Visual Code to run on Linux. So let's begin. So the first thing I've done is I've just headed over to the Visual Code website and I'm downloading the Visual Code installation package for Ubuntu. Now I'm going to head over to Google and I'm going to type in .NET Core and I'm going to go to the first link there, as you can see, .NET with Microsoft, and I'm going to select Linux and select your distro. In my case I'm using Ubuntu 16.04. You'll be presented here with this page here. As you can see, the Ubuntu 16.04 is right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the terminal and I'm going to do a bit of copy and paste, and I'll paste in the code there that Microsoft has provided for us. Enter your secret password, and once that's done, enter the second command just like that. This will take a little bit to do, but thanks to the magic of video editing, I was able to fast forward it and also do an update just in case there's anything that is there that is needed to be. Once that's done, you should be presented with this page here from the original installation that I did before. Enter your password. This is for the package for the Visual Code, so just install that. It will take a little bit of time, but once again, thanks to video editing, I have fast forwarded it. And you'll get this part here, the studio, the .NET Core package, so install that. This will take a little bit, 170 megabytes right there. It shouldn't be too bad. So I'm doing this on the Toshiba laptop that I did in my last video. If you haven't checked that video, do see it if you are interested. So once that's all done, you should be able to go now to the Visual Code Studio program. As you can see, it's right there. Now this will take a little bit of time to load up for the first time, but once it's done, it's pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the extensions and we're going to add the extension for C#. This will help us with IntelliSense and all the rest of it that we need. And once that's done, it'll actually just restart the program. Now what I'm doing now is I'm going to my documents folder, and I'm going to create a folder now called Visual Code, okay? And now what I'm also going to do now is I'm navigating to that folder and I'm going to create another folder. I called it here C#, just because I like everything to be in order, my C# projects, my C++ projects and whatnot. And once again, of course, make another folder for your project's name. In this case, I'm just going to do a simple hello world program and navigate to that folder, sorry. And once that's done, you should now be able to use the .NET, framework, I suppose, within terminal. So just do .NET new. This will create a new C# project for us. And as you can see, I've done restore, .NET restore, and then .NET run. Okay, so run actually compiles and shows the project in your terminal, kind of like Mono, which is really, really cool. Head back over to Visual Code, and we'll go here to File, and we'll go to the folder. We're going to select the folder we just created. Now, I already did this before, so my folder was already still there, but you will have to navigate to it. And we've got it requires some assets, so yeah, definitely click yes for those, or else IntelliSense will not work. And once that's done, you should be cooking with gas. So I'll just give a quick demo here of what we've achieved. So I can now write in console, and as you can see now, IntelliSense is working beautifully. So there's a simple hello world with a semicolon. Now if I press F5, you'll see it brings up the output on the bottom of the screen. This is like, I don't know, I feel that it takes longer to compile within Visual Code than what it does to compile within the terminal. And I'll just give a quick demo in a second, you'll see. So there it is, the Hello World project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do a static string, and we'll just we'll create another way to print to the terminal. So here we go, print string message, and we'll write here now console.writeLine. We'll put the message in there, and we'll return nothing. Yeah, I know, right? Returning nothing. Why then make static string? But nevertheless, now we can do print, and we can just write in there, hello everyone. And purposely what I've done for this tutorial is I've actually deleted the semicolon, which we'll see in a second, and I've saved my project. You need to save it each time you need to want to run and compile the project. And now I'm doing it within the terminal. So I've just written .NET run. And as you can see, it's actually told me right there, we've had a problem compiling the project and it's expecting a semicolon, which is really cool. So within the terminal, it'll also throw an error. So once again, I've put the semicolon, I've saved it, and now I've done .NET run. And as you can see, look how fast that was to compile, and there it is there, hello everyone. So there you go guys, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, do subscribe, thumb the videos up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.